Hello there. Viewers, have you ever had a zinc level test performed? A trace mineral shortage can often go undiagnosed and result in problems. For instance, just 12 to 40% of Americans and 1 to 2 billion people worldwide do not get enough zinc each day. In this video, we'll go over 16 symptoms and indicators of zinc insufficiency. We're talking about taste loss, inexplicable weight loss, white spots on your nails, and much more. Let's get started. Do you have any of these issues? Premenstrual syndrome, or PMS, can alter your physical, mental, and behavioral characteristics. Did you know that raising your zinc levels can help reduce PMS symptoms? Normally, you would need 8 milligrams of zinc to keep healthy, so if you feel like your eating is an emotional roller coaster every month, that's when it usually happens during the luteal phase of your menstrual cycle. Foods enhanced with high zinc content, such oysters and shellfish, seeds of beef, nuts, fortified cereal, and dairy legumes can help to restore hormonal equilibrium the next time you're out shopping for groceries. Bear in mind that research has shown that greater blood zinc levels reduce PMS in young girls. Are you bothered by unsightly facial hair? Unwanted face hair, potential hair. Zinc deficiency and facial hair can be a sensitive topic for many people. The temptation to always seem well-groomed can drive you to regular salon visits, but a clinical trial suggests trying zinc tablets instead of overspending on hair removal procedures. For 3 months, women with PCOS, a disorder that alters how the ovaries function, who took 4 milligrams of zinc along with other multivitamins showed reduced levels of inflammation and facial hair compared to those who did not take zinc. Try adding zinc supplements to your cosmetic routine on a regular basis to help prevent men experiencing infertility from growing facial hair. Fertility problems. Lack of zinc has a detrimental effect on sperm quality and count, which may influence your decision to become a parent. Since the body cannot store zinc, it is essential to consume 14 milligrams of zinc daily for those aged 19 to 50. However, overconsumption of zinc-rich foods can also be harmful to the male reproductive system. Adolescent males may experience delayed sexual development as a result of zinc deficiency. Additionally, a zinc deficit may have a dangerous impact on a child's development. Because zinc encourages the synthesis of collagen and creates strong bones and cartilage, it is critical for children to develop new tissues and for the full breakdown of the food they eat. Zinc even has an antioxidant effect on children, warding off sickness, albeit your fussy eater may not get the benefits of zinc. Positively, producers are advised by international health guidelines to include zinc in baby formulae. Your nails are progressing. Low zinc levels in nails that are brittle and flaky could be the reason. Your doctor may even examine your nails because they are the first indicator of a zinc shortage. Zinc and proteins are necessary for the strength of your nails. Zinc improves your body's ability to absorb proteins. Without it, the growth of your nails may break and crack into thin, horizontal cracks or soft layers. Pulling away from the nail suggests a zinc shortage. Now that we've cleared up the mystery of uncontrollably losing hair, let's tackle extreme zinc deficiency, which can even result in inflammation around the cuticle. If you decide to take zinc supplements, never self-medicate. Instead, have your doctor modify the dosage to prevent unpleasant side effects. Unchecked hair loss. Numerous factors can cause hair loss, such as hormonal shifts, illnesses, insufficient sleep, and bad diet. A study found that less than 70 micrograms per deciliter of zinc strongly correlated with hair loss, but that alopecia was completely reversible with zinc supplementation. This can happen to anyone, at any age, so start increasing your intake of zinc if you're freaking out about the thinning on the top and front of your scalp. Next, have you lost your taste buds? Does your favorite food suddenly taste different? Promising outcomes in relation to taste problems have been observed in bland research on zinc administration. Dysphagia, also known as distorted taste, is a typical neurological symptom associated with hereditary illnesses, brain injury, cancer, lifestyle modifications, and even COVID-19. It is very closely related to zinc insufficiency. Another typical sign of a zinc shortage is weight loss. This symptom coexists with a lack of taste. Changing your eating habits can help you lose a few pounds, though this is not a healthy way to reduce weight. If you're already trying to lose weight, you could find this adjustment appealing. Having your zinc levels tested is the best course of action if you notice any of the following changes. A 5% decrease in body weight in less than 6 months without exercising. These changes in appetite can cause irritability or depression. Next, let's discuss how to supplement your skin to avoid dermatitis. Dermatitis linked to zinc. Even if you eat enough, you may still be zinc deficient due to genetic changes and poor absorption brought on by increased alcohol usage. This can cause itchy, dry skin blisters. Oozing pus, crusting, and flaking may indicate zinc deficiency dermatitis. This condition is not communicable, but it raises awareness because if the skin rash lasts for a long period, it may increase your risk of contracting infections. Hence, low immunity is typical. Low immunity due to this deficiency. If you are frequently sick during the colder months, you should increase the amount of zinc in your diet. Zinc strengthens immunity against bacterial infections and detoxifies the body. It is so potent that taking supplements of zinc within 24 hours of the onset of cold symptoms can shorten the duration of illness and even lower the risk of upper respiratory tract infections. Yet another sign on our roster. Elevated blood glucose levels refer to elevated blood glucose levels. There are numerous causes of blood sugar increases, one of which is zinc deficiency. Zinc stabilizes blood glucose, and type 2 diabetes is currently diagnosed at a rate of constant growth when glucose levels fluctuate from high to low. Your body undergoes many changes that might lead to obesity. Cardiac issues, stroke, impairment of vision, changes in weight, and skin ulcers. You have a lot of power over your own diabetes self-management. Even if you do not have diabetes, taking regular zinc supplements will keep your blood sugar from rising too high in the future. Now, let's look at how the body heals. If your wounds are not healing quickly enough, it may be due to low zinc levels. The body uses zinc for almost hundreds of various enzyme functions, and wound healing is one of the major responses that depends on zinc. Low zinc bioavailability causes exceedingly slow healing. Soaking sprouts, beans, grains, and seeds before eating them is one way to ensure that your body gets the recommended amount of zinc each day. Another pro tip is to space out taking supplements that contradict each other, such as calcium and zinc, as doing so will prevent your body from absorbing zinc as intended. Next, we're going to discuss your bathroom habits in a more intimate setting. Changes in bathroom habits and recent loose, watery stools could be caused by a variety of factors, including inflammatory bowel disease, food intolerance, laxatives, and zinc deficiency. However, it's less well known that zinc deficiency itself can cause diarrhea. A study found that children from developing countries who were malnourished had shorter disease courses when they received adequate zinc supplementation. So, you too can try this supplement therapy to ease your irritated gut. How's your mood these days? Mental burnout. You are aware that a severe zinc shortage may be the cause of your mental burnout. A healthy nervous system helps prevent memory issues, but if your cognitive abilities are faltering or becoming hazy, it's time to take a zinc supplement. Zinc facilitates communication between neurons in the brain. It's a comprehensive bundle for your brain regardless of your age. This one's for your eyes only ever. Zinc can also be helpful for kids' brains. A research has shown zinc can alleviate signs of ADHD. Macular degeneration. Have you heard of macular degeneration? Your eyes are your window to the outside world. But as you get older, your retina begins to thin out. This can lead to blurriness in your vision and ocular discomfort. This condition is known as dry macular degeneration, and it can result from a zinc shortage. In order to treat this visual loss, eye physicians typically recommend vitamins and nutrients. Now for the final symptom. Pay close attention. Is your hearing getting weaker? Not to be serious, but if you're finding it difficult to watch television at the same loudness as you used to, it may be a sign of a zinc deficiency. Despite the fact that dependency is common in old age, hearing loss can prevent it from happening. Meat contains a potent form of vitamin B12, which is a water-soluble nutrient that keeps your muscles, bones, and nerves healthy. Studies have shown that progressive hearing loss can be stopped and that there can be noticeable improvements in a mild wheezing sound. known as tinnitus in the middle ear. If you want to avoid wearing hearing aids as you age, don't be afraid to eat foods high in zinc on a daily basis. Examine these 15 indicators. You have vitamin B12 insufficiency or indications of vitamin B12 insufficiency, which should never be disregarded. Click on one, or better yet, watch both, to find out how to recognize a vitamin B12 deficiency. Please let us know if you suffer from any of these zinc-deficient symptoms in the comments section below.